YouTube! We're making a structured boxy tote bag today. To create this bag pattern, we need 3 measurements: the width, the height, and the depth of the bag. First, we take the width and the height and make it into a rectangle. This part will be the front and back of the bag. Next, we take the depth and divide it by 2. We add this measurement to both the sides and also the bottom. You will get something that looks like this. The bottom part here is where we place on the fold of the fabric. When we cut it out, it will be in one symmetrical piece with all the sides and bottom included. What I like to do is draft the pattern directly onto the interfacing. Then I can iron it onto the lining and cut it out with 1.5 seam allowance all around. After that, I use the lining piece to cut out the outside fabric. If you want to add pockets to the lining, you can add it onto this area. Position the pocket opening at least 8 centimeters from the top of the bag. We want to leave some space on the top to finish the bag straps. The pocket pattern is very easy to make. Just double the pocket size that you want and add 1 centimeter seam allowance all around. The bag's opening is finished with binding, so from the outer fabric, I cut out a strip about 6 centimeters wide. The length of this binding is 2 times the full width of the bag, plus 3 centimeters for seam allowances. For the zipper pattern, we cut a rectangle from the outer fabric that is the same width as the depth of the bag. The length should be 3 centimeters shorter than the bag's front width. We'll cut that in half and prepare a zipper that is about 15 centimeters longer than the width of the bag. This will make the opening wider when you open the bag. In the next upload, I will show you how to sew the bag up and add structure so that the bag will stand up on its own. So as for now, thanks for watching and see you next time.